Hello everyone and welcome back to CarOg 765, the place where we explore classic machines that defined generations and still turn heads today. If you love vintage vehicles, powerful engines, and timeless designs, you are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss another amazing story from the golden era of automobiles. Today, we are diving into the world of a true American classic, the 1974 Dodge Custom Maxi van. This is not just a van, it is a symbol of freedom, road trips, and the custom van culture that exploded in the 1970s across the United States. Back in the day, this van was more than transportation, it was a lifestyle. The 1974 Dodge Custom Maxi van was built during a time when vans were becoming incredibly popular for both families and enthusiasts. Dodge designed this model to offer more space, more comfort, and more personality. The Maxi, in its name, wasn't just for style, it actually meant extended length, giving owners extra room for passengers, cargo, or even custom interiors. From the outside, the design of this van is bold and unmistakable. It carries that classic boxy shape with a long wheelbase that instantly tells you this vehicle means business. The front grille has that vintage Dodge identity, strong and confident, paired with round headlights that give it a timeless charm. Chrome accents were often added, making it shine on the road and stand out wherever it went. But what really made the 1974 Dodge Custom Maxi van special was its customization potential. This was the golden age of custom vans. Owners would transform these vehicles into rolling masterpieces. From wild paint jobs with flames and murals to custom interiors with plush seating, shag carpets, mood lighting, and even mini bars, this van became a canvas for creativity. Step inside, and you would find a spacious cabin that could be anything you wanted it to be. Some people turned it into a family travel van with multiple rows of seating, while others converted it into a luxury cruiser with captain chairs, wooden panels, and high-end audio systems. The extra length of the Maxi version made it perfect for these kinds of transformations. Under the hood, the 1974 Dodge Custom Maxi van offered a range of powerful engine options. Typically, you would find V8 engines that delivered strong torque and reliable performance. These engines were not just about speed, they were about endurance. Whether you were cruising down the highway or carrying a full load, this van had the strength to handle it. Driving this van was a unique experience. It wasn't built for sharp turns or high-speed cornering. Instead, it was all about smooth cruising and enjoying the journey. The high driving position gave drivers a commanding view of the road, making long trips more comfortable and enjoyable. It was the perfect vehicle for road trips, camping adventures, and exploring new places. Another important aspect of the 1974 Dodge Custom Maxi van was its role in American culture. During the 1970s, van culture became a huge trend. People would gather at van shows, showcasing their customized rides and sharing their passion. These vans became a symbol of individuality and freedom, representing a break from traditional cars and a move towards something more personal. Even today, this van holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts. Finding a well-preserved or fully restored 1974 Dodge Custom Maxi van is like discovering a piece of history. It reminds us of a time when vehicles were not just machines, but expressions of personality and creativity. Collectors love this van not only for its nostalgic value but also for its durability. With proper maintenance, these vans can still run strong decades later. That's a testament to Dodge's engineering and the robust design of vehicles from that era. In the modern world, where vehicles are becoming more digital and standardized, the 1974 Dodge Custom Maxi van stands out as something truly unique. It represents an era when design was bold, customization was encouraged, and the open road was calling. If you ever get the chance to see one of these vans in person, take a moment to appreciate it. Look at the details, imagine the stories it carries, and think about the adventures it has seen. This is more than just a vehicle, it is a moving piece of art and history. So, what do you think about the 1974 Dodge Custom Maxi van? Would you restore one, customize it, or keep it original? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more classic vehicles like this, don't forget to subscribe to CarOg 765 and turn on notifications. Your support helps keep these amazing stories alive. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.